Hello friends, welcome back to our session and this is Ramta here and today we are going to discuss one more formula properties of the paint. This is a 8% solids of the paint. You know that already we have discussed three properties. First we discussed PVC, pigment volume concentration. Then we discussed about the PV ratio, pigment volume ratio, and after that we discussed about the volume percent solid of the paint with the formula as well. So today we are going to discuss one more property. This is a pigment weight percent solids of the paint. It is similar like a volume percent solid of the paint, but somewhere different. So let's begin with the topic. So what is a weight percent solid? So you know that this is a measurement of non-volatile components of a coating by weight. Means this by considering this we have to know about the weight of pigments, weight of dry polymer and weight of total paint of the uh, total of the paint and multiply with the 100. So it's a solids by weight. Ones are mathematically determined by dividing the mass of solids and by the total mass of the mixtures or solution and then multiplying the result by 100. So this is a formula. Weight percent solid is equal to weight percent pigment, sorry, weight of pigment plus weight of dry polymer. Dry polymer means weight of resin, and divided by total weight of paint. Means once paint is inside the can, then there will be all ingredients of paint. Your pigment, resin, solvent, thinner, additives. But once it will get dry, there will be only pigment and dry polymer. So we will take the weight of pigment plus weight of dry polymer and will divide by the total weight of paint and will multiply once with 100. Then we can easily calculate the weight percent solids. So why we have to consider the weight percent solids? What I use of weight percent solids? Why I have to know? So you know that solids by weight percent calculations are very often used to know the if you are going to apply a paint on a metal surface to prevent corrosion, that means your sol if you are not having proper solid of paint, means proper amount of pigment or extenders or resins, because you know that pigments and extenders like TiO2, iron oxide, those plays a very important role to prevent corrosion, as well as your resin system for primer we use like epoxy resin generally. So epoxy, it's having very good properties for salt resistance and corrosion resistance as well as for chemical resistance, and it's having very good adhesion. So it's very important to know what amount of resin and what amount of pigments and extenders are available in the coating. Then this is again important because the solid portion of the coating is the fraction that will dry once the coating is applied. The fluid portion will often evaporate and is only present to facilitate each application. Means it helps to facilitate each application. Means you know that once you apply the coating, so if there is more solid, you will get some difficulty to apply the coating, and if it is there is no solid, then there will be no coverage as well. So and more solid, it means less amount of solvent or thinner will be there. So you will automatically you will feel the problem to apply the paint from by brush or by spray, by any equipment, by any process you are going to apply the paint, you will feel some kind of problems during the application of paint. But if it is a perfect ratio between the weight percent solids, then you can easily apply the paint on the on a steady state by spray as well as by brush as well as with uh, your roller. So then this is again next point, to know what percent of paint is solid. Means by weight percent solids we can just know what amount of solids is present in that paint, because you know that paint quality depends on the solids and the solids depends on the amount of resin, amount of pigment. Amount means weight of pigment and weight of resin, means how much amount of resin, how much amount of TiO2 or means iron oxide you add in in that particular paint, because these are ingredients those provide mostly almost 80 to 90% properties or physical properties to the paint: flexibility, corrosion resistance, as well gloss, and even adhesion. So solids are very important to know before choosing a paint or before selecting a paint for any kind of coating, for any kind of application. So I hope you guys will we take something knowledge from this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends, if they can also get some knowledge about the paint. So thank you guys to join us. Welcome back.